The Old Testament in the Bible is seen as impilo yabantu abansundu, abantu bebephila mandulo kudala. And ngisasho ukuthi yithina uIsrael. And I am not going to stop teaching and showing people that we are Israel. We are the true Israel as abantu abansundu. uNkulunkulu eBhayibhelini uyasho ukuthi I'm married to Israel. Israel is a chosen nation. Siyisizwe esikhethekile. And I'm going to make an example. When you are chosen in your family, you go through the most. Ubona izinto abantu ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho abangaziboni. Siyahluka ke ukuthi uNkulunkulu usibizeleni emakhayeni wethu. Yini le afuna ukuthi silwise or silungise ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wethu. So, as a chosen one, that is like a micro perspective. Okay, when you are chosen, uba rejected, you go through a lot of misunderstandings. Abantu, they reject you, they misunderstood you. Kuba ney'nkinga eziningi, kuba ney'nkinga ey'ningi, kodwa ugcina ulungele uba right. Uzamukela ngokuphelela ukuthi ubani. Kodwa u-Israel, I'm talking about the whole nation sabantu abansundu manje. God ukhethe u-Israel. Makamkhetha u-Israel, wamupha imfihlakalo ngoba i-commandment kaNkulunkulu ku-Israel was Israel. Azange nganicela ukuthi ningishisele ama-offerings. Azange nginicela ukuthi ni-sacrifice anything. Into enginicela yona ukuthi ngibe uNkulunkulu wenu. Nivule namadlebe wenu, ningilalele mangikhuluma, nikwenze lokho enginitshela ukuthi nikwenze. Simple as that. Nayi into engifuna ukukubonisa ke ukuthi when you are chosen and gifted, into yakho i-natural bakwethu. It's natural. And because of its natural, uzothonga, uzolala, uboniswe amaphupho, uboniswe yonke into. Just like the prophets that we had in the Bible, uJoseph nebeke phupha, ngobe phupha kakhulu atshela abobhuti bakhe bagcina sebemthengisa. Kodwa kusalayo isiphiwo sakhe azange simlahlekele, waqhubeka wahamba naso lesiphiwo, wahamba naseGibhithe. Sharp, ngiyandlula lapho, khona into engifuna ukunibonisa yona. Isiphiwo into ikuwe. And then we have Daniel naye beke phupha. And uDaniel aphupha amaphupho anzima ajulile. And amaphupho kaDaniel, they are prophecies of today, where Daniel will say ngiphuphe 4 beasts. Lama 4 beasts mabathi bayalichaza iphupha laka Daniel. These 4 beasts bakhuluma ngamakhosi omhlaba la, bakhuluma ngama leader ayi4. Maselithi liyachazwa. But make lichaza yena makathi uthi bona uyasho ukuthi I was so terrified, bengithukile. And mawuthi uyayibheka impilo yakwa Old Testament, these people would pray, these people do what? Would fast. Bongeke uze ukuthi mhlambe bayashisa, bayashunqisa, bayenzani. Bebazokutshela ukuthi labantu bayathonga. Mabathonga, like when they go to sleep, bafikelwe amathonga akhulume nabo yonke leyo nto le. That's how gifted we are as Israel. That's the first thing that I want people to notice. Then ke thina simoshephi abantu abadala okhokho bethu yini into abayimosha because of labantu bebathonga. These people had they had a strong intuition. They were connected namaZulu. Impilo bebeyiphila, bebephupha baboniswa, bayenza ngale ndlela baboniswa ngayo, bayenza izinto. Yini ke thina le emoshakile? Kumoshakala makufika laba ondlebe yikhanyelanga beguqula everything. And then now teaching the chosen one. Wena thola ukuthi ukhethekile. So uyatshela ke manje ukuthi hey, you must go through initiation. When you go through this initiation, uyofundiswa ezinye izinto. Uma uyofundiswa lezi zinto lezo, lezi zinto bekumele ukuthi wena uyaziphupha uyaziboniswa ekumele ukuthi uzenze, because of when you look at a lot of people who go through initiation, they come back and say when you continue kumele kube huwe manje nengilosi yakho, kanti ingilosi yakho beyizokubonisa from A up to Z. I'm gonna continue now. The rise of ama self-initiates, those people sizothi ama self-initiates, labo ke mabaqubuka mabaphakama, those people remind us of Joseph in the Old Testament. Those people remind us of Daniel, because of those people, they come with visions. Baza yonke into iza ngamaphupho, bayaboniswa ngamaphupho, bayaboniswa yonke into and all of that. Yiko-ke manje, when people who are self-initiates rise and say ngibona 1 2 3, because of our understand, feel they will want to go and consult, bafuna ukwenzani ukukhanyiselwa, kanti into ebona bekumele ukuthi bayayenza, uyayibona lento, awuyiqondi lento, uyaqhubeka uyakhuleka ngesikhathi uzotshelwa, uzowambulelwa, uzoboniswa, because of this is a journey. Kukhona la ufika uthonge khona, ubabone bakhuluma nawe live, bakutshela izinto ukuthi ku1 ku2 ku3, uvuke vele uzikhumbula uzenze. Uphiwa ama remedies, ulele. So na into engifuna ukuyikhanyisa, lento eyisiphiwo, into ozalwa na, into engaphakathi kwena. When you go for initiation, ufundiswa whatever le ofundiswa yona, kodwa iqiniso ukuthi lento abazobe bakufundise yona, uhlale lapho ufundiswe nezinye izinto ekungabelanga ukuthi ufundiswe zona. Mawuphuma kwamele uqalele futhi kwa uloko luzilungisa, uloko luwenzani, but wena self-initiate la ukhona, kuphakama u-Israel otrue wangempela ukuthi khuleka, khona uzokwazi ukwambulela, khona uzokwazi ukuboniswa izinto. If vele you feel like, understand, you will go and consult, but consultation, when you are gifted, you need to trust God, you need to trust the angels, ingilosi lezo uNkulunkulu akupha zona zikwambulele, zikhanyisele. And in this journey, you will have destiny helpers. You will have destiny helpers. Uzothi uhamba utshelwe randomly sokuthi wena so wena so ungazange futhi wayenzani, wayoconsult. So I want us as gifted people, siyibhekisise kahle lento. There's no need for us to fight as the people who went for initiation, and there's the people abangayanga kuma initiation, because of thina singayanga ku initiation, thina into esiyaziyo siyathandaza, siyathonga, yonke into esiyiboniswa ngokuthonga nokuthi siyakhuleka, and that's it, that's all. Yila ngifuna ukukuboniswa khona ukuthi nawa-ke amandla kaNkulunkulu a-natural akhona, kanti futhi ayenzani, ayasebenza. Kodwa la emhlabeni abantu abanesiphiwo masithi basebenzisa the Baal doctrine, uyabaza abantu who go for initiation, kunezinye izinto abayifundayo laphaya, kunezinye izinto abazenzayo laphaya, webazokutshela ukuthi for you to have more client, you must do this, for you to have this, you must do this, you must do that, you must 1 2 3, iyona into ezokwenzela imali. Yila engicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu draws the line ukuthi nganganiphanga lesi siphiwo ukuthi nenze izinto ezikanje, benganiphanga ukuthi nenze izinto ezikanje, because of, I'm going to make an example, the fall of Lucifer. And I didn't want this video to be long, but the fall of Lucifer, it teaches us something. That person was an angel emazulwini. That person wabona izinto ezinzulu zakaNkulunkulu. Yingakho la emhlabeni akwazi uku-attack abantu because of uwazi izinto ezinjani ezinzulu. He was one of his angels. He was cast down from the angels to the earth, and then waconvince laba abanye abantu. So now uma wenza ubumnyama fanele ukuthi you are convinced by him ukuthi yenza ubumnyama, oppose God. Ngoba uNkulunkulu esiphiweni sakhe ukuthi nje abantu bakwazi ukuprofesaya, bahlahlela abantu indlela, bakhanyisela abantu, baphilisa abantu, because of the very same people who are doing ubumnyama. To be quite honest, abantu abayenza ubumnyama abantu aba-gifted. It's also gifted people. Hayi ukuthi akusibona abantu aba-gifted, yibona nabo abaphinde bajike. Yiko the Bible speaks about the wickedness of Judah. UJudah sikhuluma ngamakhosi, ukuthi amakhosi nawaney'nto zawo azenzayo. So ngiyacela mntana kwa-Israyeli, buyela kuNkulunkulu. UPsalms 50 uyasho uNkulunkulu ukuthi angizukukurebuka. I am not going to reprimand you. Ngalama sacrifices olokoluthi uyawayenza, zonke lezi zinto zethu zokuthi kudliwe imbuzi, kuphuzwe amagazi, akazukusireprimanda, kodwa ufuna ukuthi sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu. Ufuna nje ukuthi ebunzimeni bethu sikhale kuyena, cry, bese ke ayakwenzela. And keep your vows, keep your vows ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngizokhonza, ngizonikezela ithemba lami lonke, because of the people who went to initiation. They know what I'm talking about. Isiphiwo sikuwe, isiphiwo sinatural. The things that you learn when you go through there, you learn them. But when you come back, some of them you don't even use them. You use ingilosi yakho lengaphakathi kwena.